The first category honours some of the most prolific female actors in the industry today, getting to grips with characters that range from a grieving mother dealing with the disappearance of her child, a tough inner-city madam, and a gangster's love interest to a mother on the edge. The nominees are
Eva Birthistle, Amber. Charlie Murphy, Love Hate.
And no one talks about it. You don't know it's real. And the people who are crying the most are the ones who done it. You know what I mean? It's a bit of fun.
Mary Murray, Love Hate.
If that's all it was, that's all it was. But I'm not leaving. I'm going to stay and have a fucking drink. And you're welcome to come home with me or not. And if you all want to come back and have an orgy with the girls, I'll collect the money and empty the ashtrays. That's what I do.
Deirdre O'Kane, Moon Boy.
You be the one printing the flags and the banners and the T-shirts.
That's right.
You need to board the good ship, Charles and Liam, or you'll be left to rot here on your old island of old rotten shite.
Are you drunk?
I'm a little bit drunk.
And the winner is Eva Birthistle for Amber.
God, I didn't actually hear him call my name. I'm so shocked. Thank you very much, IFTA. This is really lovely. Paul Dwan and Rob Cawley for writing a brilliant script. Thank you so much. And Thaddeus O'Sullivan for just being a brilliant director. It was a tough gig and a sort of a type of gig that you slightly might dread going to set every day, but I didn't because of you. You made it such an enjoyable place to be. So thank you so much. Everybody at Independent, Fiona McLaughlin, Livy and Will, Ross, thank you for putting up with all the tears. Thanks a million. This is lovely. Thank you.